Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open the camera or display app and disable temporary overrides. Make sure firmware and drivers are current because outdated code causes drift. Once done, connect via stable USB or Wi-Fi and close competing apps so automatic routines get consistent data. Then enable diagnostic or developer mode to see raw values. This reveals what the auto-adjust algorithm uses and lets you make targeted changes. Now you change the core parameters that drive auto-adjust. Start with exposure compensation and switch metering modes. This controls how the system weights highlights and shadows. Then address white balance, choose a preset, or set a manual Kelvin number to remove color casts. Next, refine autofocus area and sensitivity so the algorithm prioritizes the right subject. As you tweak each value, run quick captures to confirm improvement. This iterative loop narrows the problem and prevents overcorrection. Finish by saving a custom profile once adjustments consistently produce correct frames, and test across different lighting and motion scenarios so the changes generalize. Make sure to document original settings before any major change. That makes safe rollback simple. If problems persist, reset to defaults and reapply changes incrementally. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect logs or diagnostics for sensor noise, overdriven exposure, or calibration errors. These clues tell you whether the issue is hardware, algorithmic, or environmental, and guide the final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.